Why did Samsung hit the brakes on the One UI 7 update so soon after launching it? That's the question many Galaxy users are asking right now. After months of waiting, Samsung finally started releasing the Android 15 base One UI 7 update to its latest flagships like the Galaxy S24, Galaxy Z Fold 6, and Galaxy Z Flip 6. But just as excitement started building, everything came to a stop. Samsung has now officially paused the update rollout, and users are left wondering what caused this sudden change. The company did confirm that the update has been put on hold and mentioned that a new rollout schedule will be announced. However, it didn't offer any detailed explanation. All we know for now is that the update is delayed again with no clear date for when it will return. Understandably, this has caused frustration among users who had been waiting for a long time. One of the main issues being pointed out comes from a well-known leak source who revealed that the update caused a serious lock screen glitch. On some Galaxy S24 devices, the lock screen began to appear distorted, either stretched, squashed, or not displaying properly. This isn't a small issue, especially when it affects how users unlock their phones. If something as basic as the lock screen is broken, the update clearly needed more testing before being released. This glitch first appeared on the S24 series, but since the update was also starting to roll out to the Fold 6 and Flip 6, Samsung probably didn't want to take chances. Rather than risk a wider problem across more devices, they paused the entire rollout to fix it first. Besides the lock screen problem, there have been some smaller complaints too. A few users noticed minor bugs in other parts of the system. On top of that, there are early reports suggesting there might be a vulnerability in the secure folder feature. That tool is meant to keep personal files and apps safe, so even the hint of a problem with it would be a serious concern. Although nothing has been confirmed about this yet, it could explain why Samsung is acting quickly to pull things back. What's also surprising is how fast things changed. The update had barely started rolling out before it was paused again. Galaxy S24 owners had just begun getting excited about the new features and improvements, and then suddenly, everything stopped. For those who already received the update, it's not clear what's next. They may be asked to download another patch later on, and those who didn't get it will now have to wait even longer. It's also uncertain what this means for other Samsung phones that were supposed to get One UI 7 soon. Devices like the Galaxy S23 lineup or earlier foldable models may now have to wait for a new release timeline. Samsung has yet to confirm how long this delay will last or how it will affect the rest of its schedule. What's clear from this situation is that even the biggest tech brands can run into trouble with software updates. These updates are supposed to bring better performance and new features, but if they're pushed out too early without full testing, things can quickly go wrong. For users, that means bugs, frustration, and waiting even longer for the version that actually works well. Hopefully, Samsung will solve these issues soon and get back on track. Users have already been waiting patiently, and they deserve a stable and reliable update. If you want to keep up with the latest Samsung updates and news, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech updates.